Hi team, I just wanted to share with you how you access OneSource.me and how you can sign up for the TADS refresher. This is for Tuesday, September 1st. This session is from 1:30 on. It's from 1:30 to 3:30, so it gives you a 2-hour window to do this session. So you go to houstonisd.org, okay? And remember, we have to sign in. You want to hover over to My HISD at the top. Then this is the trick. Scroll down and OneSource ESS remote. This is for you guys at home who are going to need that VPN access. So click on OneSource ESS remote. It's going to ask you for the last 6 digits of your social security number. Once you're in, the only place you can click is OneSource.me up here at the top. If you click this one or you're frequently visited, it does not bypass you. Trust me, I learned this lesson the hard way. OneSource.me up here. Make sure you're patient. Then you want to click the word learning here. Learning. And then you want to sign up for the course. If this pop-up shows up, just tell it, yeah, don't show me again, I got it, okay? And here where it says HISD Learning, what do you want to learn today? You want to type in the course number 1443400 and click Go. And what it will do is it'll bring up the annual update for teachers. You want to click that. And then you want to say assign to me. Okay. And then once you've assigned it to yourself, you want to say start the course. And then you can begin. So you start with a browser check, then you do the modules, and then it ends with a quiz and a end of course survey. I hope this recording helps you get to where you need to go for tomorrow afternoon for the TADS refresher.